Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you basic stone setting in this earring. So let's start the video. Firstly, apply some glue here. Now wait for around 15 minutes so that the glue can dry. So here it is. The stone setting process is complete. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.